Hello YouTube, it's Queen B, and today I will be basically doing a cooking tutorial. All you need for this, I'm making fried chicken. Um, you can use any type of seasoning salt. We just happen to use soul seasoning and ranch seasoning. Now, um, do this not too much, but also not too little. You don't want them to be over salted, and you also don't want them to be under salted. Flip everything over. And if they do get over salted, just rub them. You can take some of the seasoning off that way. Or wash them if you want to do the whole thing over. You flip them all over if you did them all at the same time or just one piece, either way. And then you do it again. Oh. Now, you put the ranch seasoning on. Wow, this really doesn't come out like that. Hold on real quick. Sometimes you have to shake your seasonings. Sorry about the camera quality. Sometimes you have to shake your seasonings to get them up and at it. There we go. Too much. I'm gonna only put a little bit on this batch. Last time I put them on, always, but I'm gonna only put a little bit on this batch of chicken. We do this, dip them in the flour. I already have the oil ready and cooking. It's cooking the first batch. They're literally about to come out. Put that to the side. Now, I would show you the part where I put them in the fryer, but since I already got this batch going, and these are about to come out, they might look burnt, but they're not. These have been in here for at least 20 to 25 minutes. No longer than 25 minutes. But if they're not cooked, that means either means your oil is not up high enough. Sorry. Hard holding two things at once. But anyway. And if the oil just stops, like when the chicken is still in there, that means it's burnt. It's no longer cooking and it's burnt. Now, You gotta make sure the flour is really coated on there. Now, I always put them in big piles because I don't want, like, I want to put them in there at the same time so they can cook at the same time. Instead of just putting them in there one by one and then having, not knowing, like, if if the last one you put in there is done or not. And so that way the chicken won't burn. I should put more flour on this plate before I start using it again. Alright. Now I'm going to just bring it over here. In. 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 Be very careful because the oil is hot and it can burn you if it pops up too high. In. 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 Alright, now I'm probably going to have to put a disclaimer because there are vegans out there who love to sue people for this type of stuff. So if you don't like people cooking chicken or meat, nothing like that, don't watch this video. Or you probably already clicked off. Either way, please don't sue me. And as other people say, it's my mouth, not yours. Now, if you did it correctly, this is the first batch. It should look like this. Everything is golden brown. Golden brown. Not black. Not brown. Not light brown. Golden brown. Every piece of chicken on this plate. Alright, y'all. Nice knowing you.